What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's somebody technoboy, and there you can see that's the EDIFIER bookshelf speakers. These are not just bookshelf, you can use them as a studio monitor. Great quality in the budget price. So front grill is open. So what am I gonna do today? Other one is right here. So they are like pair, and here you can see that's my cinema setup right there, projection screen on this side. And I use a 5.1 setup with this screen, but today I'm gonna use this too with the screen. We're gonna play some trailers and some music and also some gaming test, and gonna check how these things, this tiny thing, you can see they are so small in size, but they sounds great with a heavy bass. So we're gonna see how they works. So I'm gonna put the right one on the bed right there, and the left one right here on the table. So let's quickly do the setup, and I'll get back to you soon. Alright, so the setup is done. That's the right one there on the bed, and that's the left one right there on the toolbox. This thing is connected to my PC right there using the aux cable, and the projector is on. So now we're going to check some trailers and sound, and of course the Dolby sound on this two mini speakers, and let's see how they perform and if they can fill the room with the sounds. As you can see, the projection screen is huge, and this two looking like two tiny speakers right there. So let's check it out.
The Titans were the guardians of nature, and the great apes became the protectors of humanity. You feel like going for a ride?
Thought you'd never ask. Try not to swallow your tongue.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo, and this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the little details, puts you in the center of the action, sounds just like the real world. And transports you to faraway lands. Go inside the story with breakthrough sound. Dolby Atmos.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way,